Those are announcements. They interrupt. Sometimes a lot, sometimes not a lot. But don't worry about the announcements. Back to what I was saying. Third quarter you find by finding the halfway point of your second half. Okay, the second half of your data. In this case it was 4. Over here, I look at the second half, I have 3 numbers, find the one in the middle, that's 6, so that's our third quarter. Okay, 6 is our third quarter. We're getting different results over here than over here, and that'll be helpful when we compare them, alright? Now, what about this interquartile range? Well, the interquartile range, we have an abbreviation for that. We call that the IQR. Why? IQR. That's why. Shorter, abbreviated, helps me out. Okay? IQR. Interquartile range. Well, what is that? Well, third quarter minus first quarter. It's a range. It's if I were to measure the gap right here, how big is that gap? All right, that gives me an idea of where most people are going to fall when they answer my survey question. All right, so it's third quarter minus first quarter. Third quarter minus first quarter. All right, so that's 6 minus 3. So the IQR is 3. 6 minus 3, so the IQR is 3. Try over here. Third minus first, that's 4 minus 3, which is 1. So the IQR on this side is 1. So this group, their average answer is going to be in between 3 and 4. It's only a range of one number. Over here, the range of answers is between 6 and 3. There's a range of 3 answers. That means the answers here are more varied than the answers here. The answers here all fall around that one number. So I could use the one number and be fine. Over here, if I said, most people have about 4 coats, I would be wrong a lot more often. Because there's some people who might have 5 coats, or might have 3 coats, a lot more often than 4 coats. Over here, more people are going to have 4 coats than they are over there. If that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, it's okay. We'll do a little bit more explaining, a little more instruction at another time. But what you need to know is how to find these 5 numbers first. Max and min, that refers to the maximum number in your data and the minimum number of your data. So the maximum number on this side would be 6, and the minimum number would be 2. Over here, max would be again 6, but the minimum would be 2. And we'll talk about the importance of those numbers another time when we talk about box and whisker plots. It's just another way to organize and arrange the information on a small scale. Alright? So good luck, and we'll do this again another time.